Hello children, I know you all are doing well. I am here with a new video and the topic is macronutrients. Macronutrients. These are required in large proportion in our diet. It supply energy and are needed for growth and development of the body. Components of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. First one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most important source of energy. They contain the elements of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Dietitians recommend 60 to 70% of carbohydrates in our diet. Types of carbohydrates. There are two types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates. They are used as immediate energy providers. They are also called quick energy food. These are soluble in water. Sources of simple carbohydrates: fruits, low-fat milk, table sugar, honey, jam, vegetables, potato, carrot, candy, etc. Some sugars are digested and absorbed and they are converted into glucose, whereas some cannot be digested. We call them fiber. Second one is complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are starches. They release low energy as compared to simple carbohydrates. The sources of complex carbohydrates are bread, rice, bajra, chana dal, moong dal, rajma, etc. Excess amount of complex carbohydrates are stored in liver and tissues, from where they release the energy when in need. Proteins. Proteins are the basic structures of all living cells. They are needed for growth and development of the body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. Proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Types of proteins. There are two types of proteins: essential proteins and non-essential proteins. First one is essential proteins. These are 9 essential amino acids which are taken from food and they are not made in body. Some sources of essential proteins like pulses, milk, dairy products, soya beans, egg, meat, etc. They are required for growth of tissues. Non-essential proteins. There are more than 13 non-essential proteins. It requires in very less quantity. The sources of non-essential proteins are grains, dry fruits, vegetables, etc. Fats. Fats are important for proper functioning of glands and other internal organs. They act as source of energy during long duration workout. Our diet should consist of 5 to 7% of fat. Types of fats or types of fatty acids. There are two types of fats, that is saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats. They contain chain of carbon atoms. They are found in solid and liquid form. The sources of saturated fats are cream, butter, coconut oil, palm oil, ghee, animal fat, etc. Next one is unsaturated fats. These fatty acids largely comes from plants. The sources of unsaturated fats are peanut oil, olive oil, soya oil, etc.